Hello. Today we're gonna discuss about the tree traversal. So we have three kinds of traversal for the tree. So we have the in order traversal, the pre-order traversal, and the post order traversal. So for the in order, we start from the leftmost side leaf, then root, then right. So it's the left, root, then right. Then for pre-order, it's root, left, then right. And the post order is left, right, then root. Hello. Now we're going to do the in order traversal. So the in order traversal is stated as left, root, and right. Left, root, and right. So this is the in order. So based on the tree, the leftmost leaf is A. Then we traverse to the root, then right. So left, root, and right. Then left again is E. Because there's no left node for the D, so we pick up E. So we arrive at A, B, D, E. Then continue. We go to the left node of the next one is J, root K, then root left node again L, then root M, then left node N, root O. So we arrive at J, K, L, M, N, O. Then from there, we go to the leftmost node of the next one. So P, R, S. P, R, S. Arriving at this traversal. Now we will be doing the pre-order traversal. So the pre-order traversal is Q in root, left, right. So based on our tree, our root is K. Then we go to the left, most left leaf of the left child of the root K, then left again of the J, then left of the B is A. So left, root, left, 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 left. So we have this K, J, B, and A. So left, root, right. We now have we're going to traverse to D, then E. So after that, we go back to the left, to the root from the parent is M, then left is L, then O, then left again, then S, then left. So we arrive at K, J, B, A, D, E, then M, L, O, N, S, R, P. So this is the pre-order traversal. Now we will be doing the post-order traversal. So the post-order traversal is from left, right, then root. So based from our current tree now, the leftmost leaf is A. So then we traverse to the right, which is E. Then the parent of the E is D, then B. So right now we have A, E, D, and B. Then proceed to the next one. The left node is J, then left again is L, then left L then it's N, then leftmost is P. So now we have J, L, and P. Then from there, we go to the left of the parent S, then it's the right of the parent O, then traverse up O, then traverse up M, then the root. Finally is the root. So we have R, S, O, M, K. So the last one is the root for the post traversal.